lovable poems written by Dante Alighieri. Title: My Lady. My lady looks so gentle and so pure when wielding salutation by the way, that the tongue trembles and has naught to say, and the eyes which fain would see may not endure. And still, amid the praise she hears secure, she walks with humbleness for her array, seeming a creature sent from heaven to stay on earth and show a miracle made sure. She is so pleasant in the eyes of men that through the sight the inmost heart doth gain a sweetness which needs proof to know it by, and from between her lips there seems to move a soothing essence that is full of love, saying forever to the spirit shy. Another small poem written by D.H. Lawrence, titled Glory de Dijon. When she rises in the morning, I linger to watch her. She spreads the bath cloth underneath the window, and the sunbeams catch her glistening white on the shoulders, while down her sides the mellow golden shadow glows as she stoops to the sponge, and her sung breasts say like full-blown yellow glory the June roses. She drips herself with water, and her shoulders glisten as silver. They crumple up like wet and falling roses, and I listen for the slicing of their rain disheveled petals in the window full of sunlight. Concentrates her golden shadow fold on fold until it glows as mellow as the glory roses. Another next small poem, My Love is Like to Ice, written by Edmund Spenser. My love is too like to ease. My love is like to ice. My love.